Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, I will presentation about principles of translation that are true to the BSU text. The first is about the translation must use BSU text words. Second, if we read, the translation must feel like the original of translation. The third, the translation must reflect the style of the BSU text language. Four, the translation must reflect the time original text that was written or contemporary of the author. Fifth, the translations didn't add or subtract things in the text BSU or in the BSU text. And the sixth, literally the genres must be maintained in the translation. Based on the principles one above, a BSA translation or text must use a literal translation of the words used in the BSU text. It means here is a literal translation, whereas principles 2 and 3 means that the translator must maintain the style of the BSU text language. If the language style is maintained, then by itself when read, the result will feel like translation. And then based on Principle 5, translators may not add or subtract words from the BSU text. And based on Principle 6, a poem must be translated into poetry. A prose is translated into a prose. And the next, according to Reichmedi, 1998, translator who try to follow the principles about will soon encounter some difficulties because in every reality there is rarely a text that can be translated with the same clarity and accuracy as BSU text. This is true if the translator wants to obey the strictly or absolutely. But if we allow a slight adjustment for the readability of the BSU text, these principles can be used. In fact, if there is an adjustment or violation of any the principles, the translation still fails to contain the above principles as a whole. And other opinion or other comments that can be submitted are as follows. This opinion seems to put the type of word-by-word, literal, and semantic translation in lower position. Perhaps we must pay attention to the purpose and form of the BSU text, a translation that aims to learn the structure of BSU sentences. The most appropriate is a word-by-word translation. To translate sacred text is which the translator feel unable to fully understand the meaning of the BSU text. The literal translation is the best. And then example, BSU text and BSA text. In BSU text, the translation translate to BSA text use semantic translation. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.